Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can fix post you have liked option not showing problem in Instagram. So let's start. First go to Play Store and update Instagram. There is a new update of Instagram which I have already updated. After updating, open Instagram. Tap on your profile. Now tap on three-dot option. Now tap on your activity. Now tap on interactions. Now tap on likes. Now here you will find your liked posts. Instagram has made some changes after update. So from now you will find your likes posts here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.